Hi everyone, this is Sheshe. I'm coming on to share with you some dies from Aliexpress. It's a store called KS Craft Lover Store. So I have these children gingerbreads. What I'm going to share with you is a family of gingerbread men or little girls. They're really adorable. They have all kinds of combinations with dresses, shorts, pants, scarf. There's a baker's hat. You can even make bow ties and little hollies and leaves, and then there's different faces that you can use on these gingerbreads. So I'm going to show you what it looks like as the small gingerbreads. So I have them in different looks and different expressions. So here's how she looks. You can have it plain, the little baker's hat for the little boy, and then you can have, like, if you angle the face a certain way, you can have them looking up, looking from the side. It's all up to you. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, so those are the kids. The kids will also fit on the small tag set. It has a loaf of bread, I believe. So the tag comes with this die, as well as a layering piece for the lace, and then the loaf of bread, which it comes with the pan and the loaf of bread. So I hope you can see that. Now there is a little baby, and as you can see in comparison that the baby is smaller. And so I'll show you what the little baby looks like. It also has a pacifier and a diaper. So this is the little baby. Has a bow. You can make it a boy or a girl. Here's the face for the boy. And here's the little pacifier. I didn't glue it on, but this is how she looks with the little pacifier. And then she has a little piece of curly hair. I just put the bow right there. So I thought that was really adorable to go with the gingerbread family. Now that you've seen the kids and all their different expressions, because I have a lot of gingerbreads that I've been making. And then here's the tag set that goes with the little kids. I'm going to set that to the side. Now I'm going to show you the mom and dad. I made some extra gingerbreads for other stuff, so I'll be making a bunch of gingerbread projects. Okay, with the mom and dad, they have different looks. Here's one with the hat and a tie, scarf. And then this one is really cute. I have her looking at a glance, and she has her little bowl, which I'll share with you the bowl set. This is where the bowl came from, and it has all these little pieces that you can design the bowl. There's also another gingerbread person, so I will share with you that set in a moment. Here is the mom and dad set. It has basically the same thing, the ties, the bows, the scarf and hats, faces, flowers, little buttons or collars for the lace. There's a hat, all these little things for the gingerbread family. So again, this is how it's looking so far. There's so many different looks with these gingerbread people. So that's how mine turned out. You can link them together if you want with a string, but I plan to put mine in like little recipe cookbooks and the recipe cards they have. So I'll be doing a lot of decorating. Okay, then we have this little gingerbread, and it can look really different. So what I did was I made them, but with the little holes I put some Nouveau crystal drops in red to make it sparkle. So I have tons of those made to do different things with. So I'll share with you all of them and how they look. Really, really cute. Then again, you can make a string of gingerbreads or just put them on projects. But I thought I'd share with you how that looks. I showed you a small tag. There is a tag for the mom and dad, and this will fit the mom and dad, as you can see. I didn't get a chance to cut it out because I cut the smaller one out, but they pair together with the children and the mom and dad. So I have more gingerbread theme items. This is a gingerbread border. Hopefully you can see that. And then here's the border right here and how it looks. So that you can have gingerbread theme items, just go gingerbread crazy. So that's really neat. Again, with the tag set, you get the lace layering piece. There are some additional pieces. Here is the loaf of bread. That's just like the other one, but this one has the words menu and recipe to go on your tags. So that's what's different about it. And again, it comes with this layering piece right here that fits the adult gingerbread people. Okay, have all that done. So now I'm going to move on to some other items that were really sweet. We have a rolling pin set, and this is how it looks. It comes with dies to stamp on sentiments or make into shakers, and these are the layering pieces. So this is how it looks with the layering pieces. Really, really cute. And then if you don't want to layer it and you just want to have a plain rolling pin, you can just make it look like that. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to some stamps. And there's a stamp and die set that has a bunch of gingerbread theme sentiments. And then there's dies that you can stamp on the gingerbread theme items. So I'll just show you what I did. I stamped them out and layered them. You can go to the website and read them, but they do stamp very well. So they'll make really great tags and recipe books and recipe cards. So here's that. And that's how they look in different colors, matte and layered. Okay. So I'm going to move on to some other dies. We have also the Secret Santa one, and I just put it on this little present and added a bow. All these items came from the same store with the exception of the oval. So I can link this present. It can turn into an ornament. And then again, that Secret Santa is also in that stamp set I just shared. So hope you like that. Next I have a background die that you can make into a quilted pattern. And this is how it looks when it's cut out. It doesn't cut out the edges. You'll need to cut out a square or rectangle or whatever shape you like with this pattern in it, and then you just put this on top and die cut it through your machine. So really like this quilted pattern. Okay, next I have this coffee theme shaker cup. I just put the spoon inside, and I'll show you everything I used to make this card. I use this stamp set right here that says, "With enough coffee, anything is possible." You can read the sentiments on the website if you want to know more about this set. There's also a set that comes with the shaker, coffee mug, or tea cup, and it looks like this. You can either read them on the website or you can check out my example. I used some of the elements to make background paper, and I also used the rolling pins, layering pieces to give it some accent. So I thought this came out really cute. Okay, here is the shaker set. It comes with the coffee mug or tea mug. There's a little spoon, and you can make it into a shaker, and these stamps stamp perfectly onto the coffee mugs and tea mugs. Next is the measuring spoons, and I did cut them out so you can see how they look. You will have to cut the circle in order for everything to lay flat on here, and then I just made sure that the largest measuring spoon did not move, so I glued it down to hide where I cut the little circle. But this is definitely an adorable set to go with your recipe cards and your recipe books. Okay, so there's that. Okay, I'm going to stop this video, and I will be back with another haul. It will be a continuation of all the items I was sent from KS Craft Store. It was a really large package, so I don't want this video to be too long. So I hope you enjoyed everything I shared and you got some inspiration from what I could cut out, but I will be back with more project shares. So stay tuned for another video coming up very soon. Thanks for joining me. Again, links are in the description box below. Have a fabulous day.